Amarachi is a performance poet, a broadcaster, an author, and promoter of African and Igbo culture. She has a master's in mass communication from the University of Nigeria and is trained as a festival manager with the British Council, working with the European Festival Association and the Altier for Young Festival Managers in Johannesburg, the Oja Cultural Festival, and the West African Language Conference in Ghana. She is the founder of the Oja Cultural Development Initiative, executive director of Nawadiorama Concept, I apologize if I said that incorrectly, and the Enugu State Vice Chairperson of the Association of Nigerian Authors. She has spoken about Igbo culture and language advocacy on platforms including TEDx, the British Council Creative Hustle, and at many schools. She has written 4 books and runs a children's language theater, receiving several awards for her work with Igbo language and culture. We are absolutely honored to welcome to the stage Amarachi.